So I got this Craftsman 4-cycle snowblower, and it was leaking gas for a while out of the float bowl. So I tried just scooping it up with some RTV, and that didn't stop the leak. And for some reason I remember it was leaking from this primer bulb, the seal up top, so that's why I think I was trying to stop the flow with these zip ties. But I think it's actually coming from the carb. I think the float might be stuck too, so I'm going to pull all these plastics off and pull the carb out and see what we got. So here's our carburetor after I pulled out the float and needle and everything. I'm going to try to do this on the cheap and get away with using an old gasket here. That isn't too bad. This is the one that came off it. It's cracked, and I think that's the source of my leaking from the float bowl. What is this gasket here? It's hard as a rock. So you're going to watch me clean this out with some carburetor cleaner, and we'll put it all back together and see if it runs. If not, then I'll just buy a full rebuild kit for it, but I'm trying not to, just because it'll be like 20 bucks. So.